up, guys? Tyler, the Off Leash Canine, North Georgia. I have 4-month-old Cane Corso puppy, Titan. He comes to us for a 2-week board and train program. As you can see, he's got that puppy energy. His big complaints right now are he doesn't know anything. He has a lot of jumping, a lot of chewing and biting. He plays a little too rough, so his owners are asking we just give him a good foundation of obedience. Stay tuned for his updates, and we'll see you guys here in 2 weeks. All right, guys, we're going to see what Titan here knows. Titan, can you come? Good boy. Look off. Good boy. Good boy. Titan, can you sit? Can you sit? Off. Titan, can you sit? Okay. Titan, can you down? Down. Down. Look at that. Good boy. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Titan, place. Place. Look at the puppy. Good boy. Place. Good boy. Yes. Okay. All right. We'll see you in 2 weeks.